This valve cover has movable seal positions to extend the life of your HD module. The components are a thin brass ring, a thicker brass ring, your heavy-duty seals. We prefer the 3-piece reverse Oreo seal or our heavy-duty urethane red seal. In the process, we have a snap ring that'll hold the system together, and of course our valve cover. The way the system works is you have two positions. The first position, we'll call position 1, when assembled, has the thin brass ring on top, your seal in place, and your thick brass ring on the bottom. All right. Position 2, when reversed and moving that location, your thin brass ring will be on the bottom, your seals, and your thick brass ring on top. We're going to assemble this into position 1 today. All right, position 1, we'll slide on our brass ring, our thick brass ring. We're going to put on our reverse Oreo 3-piece seal. Teflon on the outside, we call it the reverse Oreo. Easy to see why. We will insert our thin brass ring into position, and now we have position 1. When running this suction valve cover, you always want to start with the seal in the innermost position. When you've run the module, so it cannot be run in that position any longer, we'll flip the brass rings, and now you've changed the sealing position of the ring. Once your brass rings are in position, a simple snap ring goes in, and the valve cover is put together, ready for installation in your HD module.